Blue Sky's Real Assets division has been a part of the company since its inception. And the thing that was apparent to us was that there were tremendous opportunities that were brewing as a result of the per capita wealth increases in Asia, and that Australia was well positioned to service those markets. The ag sector in Australia contends with inherent variability of climate. We always have volatility around commodity prices, but the thing that can mitigate that is if you have access to water, it can change the game. And so that was the origins of why we've invested in water so heavily. What we look for is the opportunity to partner with very well established, very well managed family businesses and help them to grow using a private equity approach. We'd like to take an asset and see what it can become by applying capital that farmers haven't necessarily had access to in the past, or can't fund through a period where we might have 2 or 3 years of transitioning that asset that it doesn't produce any income. So when we look at the returns and the opportunities for investors across the agricultural sector, it includes the entire supply chain, the inputs and the outputs. And when you combine all of that in Australia, that sector today represents about 12% of Australia's GDP. And the productivity in the agribusiness sector has been one of the most outperforming sectors in the Australian economy over the last 10 years. We just see a lot of opportunities there to continue to deploy capital to help those businesses to grow and capture these market opportunities that we see in export markets.